Hey guys, Mark from parkflyers.com. Today we are upgrading again. Once again, the customer wants his Bigfoot upgraded, and today we're putting on a rear wing on the body, custom fit, and we did a wheelie bar. Now the cool thing about these is they actually have function. The wheelie bar is going to prevent the cover from being hit, obviously, and it's going to help it do wheelies. This one has a brushless motor in it, so you see the wear here. The customer wasn't happy. He was scraping the back. Now the cool thing about this wheelie bar from Traxxas is that they actually, when they made the lights, they designed it so that when you put the wheelie bar on, the LED lights have a perfect view right through the wheelie bar. So you don't lose light function there. Very cool. So what we did for the wing was we used a Typhon 3S, an Arrma Typhon 3S wing, and we basically bored out the holes. We used Calendra Racing Concepts posts, okay? And then we used, for the rubber grommets, we used the Traxxas Rebuild Kit 2362 and the PTFE washers 1985. We put 12 washers on each side and 2 rubber O-rings, and basically that gives the wing lift off the body. It clears the body by about 3 or 4 millimeters, and it really has a good look. This is definitely going to add in downforce, and it really looks cool. Customer is going to be really happy, and the wheelie bar is going to help with all the wheelies that this brushless motor gives this thing. So all in all, really nice kit. You can see the links below if you want to buy anything from our website. Please support us, and let us know what you think of this upgrade.